Right, man. It's the 4th of July, man. It's the big time now. We're gonna go slide. We're gonna about go to a war zone. We got a little Bubba right here, a little J-Mo right here, and we got a little Ben. Now Ben, show him what you gonna do with that big shit when you catch them.
I ain't got no big shit, but I got some self-defense.
Some bombs, nigga. I'm telling you. All the big shit I got is in the back. All in the back. I'm telling you. All right, but we just in here chilling. We about to go to a war zone. Then once we get there, I hit back.
You gon' get the real me, you know. I'm still smoking up, I do all that, you know. It's all in my mind, it's all in your mind, you know. You got problems, don't spill that. Bro, do not care about nobody else. That little nigga tryna feed for himself. Bitch, rockin' the spike, I'm looking too scout. Niggas know I got the heat in my belt. Scratch too bad, gotta get more seeds. I'm finna run out today. Tryna be a dad, I'm just be with my kids. That's why I been out the way. 2-30 stick on my gin. Bro, better get out the way. River is too, but I keep on saying cool no more than the album name. Nigga, if you tryna preserve your face. On the pills, so these bitches keep going the same. He killed if you thinking you be with the game. You still in the field, get your new hat. You was trying to shoot at us, you get that bang. Body drop. Walk around with a 32 round man.
He dead that nigga. Niggas ain't trolling and cracking the phone shit. Dumbass, I felt that button. What don't know, it was just us four. I ain't saying no names, but I wanted the gunman. Get off the pills, I don't know how to feel. My face gets slurred and I move like a zombie. One got killed, he's still on my heels, he's still in my dreams, he's still trying to hunt me. Beating the push, I'm maxing the house. She calling me daddy, whole time we fucking. What she don't know, she finna get out. I just wanna nut, this don't mean nothing. Me, she this my brother. We killed they bird trying to get up and stole me a bucket. My bitch keep tripping, always fighting and fuck.
So niggas spit on me. Ball that nigga. Damn! I dropped all my shit on blood. All my bones fell. On my bone. I dropped all my shit. Damn! I lost all my sheets. I lost all my bones. You heard me? I lost all my sheets. How did I get my shit from butt plate? You got a lighter?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Come on.
Huh?
Come on.
Go get it. Damn! I'm down. My shit had cut off. Like that nigga was on his ass. Good. What's good?
Hey man, I know last year was crazy as fuck, my dog.
Uh-huh.
You gonna do it this year or not?
Yeah?
Okay.
Hey, look, you got your cousin over here with a big ass firework. Look at her.
You see how you chop it?
Look at your cousin. Look, she got the biggest one in all of them, bro.
You should light it.
You gonna pop somebody with that?
Yeah.
Open it.
Oh.
Hold this up.
I got you, bro. Are you recording?
Yes,
Oh. You recording? Hell yeah.
What you doing over here, Miss? They finna pop.
There you go, bud.
Oh, you should punch it.
Yeah, she about to.
I'm over here in the war zone. How you active?
You know him? What?
Yo. Yo.
What?
My leg got popped. I'm mad.
Why you guys shooting, nigga?
They ready to get active. I'm holding my jump.
Come over here.
That's a big bitch. They gonna target y'all. They gonna target y'all. They got that big shit. They gonna target them.
You know my best? Popping off the firecracker.
Damn.
Hello?
Oh. You gonna ride in the middle of it? Damn, he on his ass. He's on his ass. Oh, he's on his. Huh? Pocket get booed up. Toot up.
Oh.
What? Bye-bye, get him! Get him, bye-bye! Get him, bye-bye! Hey, he on his ass! I did not see that hoe right there. I did not see that hoe right there.
Thank you.
Oh, yeah. That throw. Nigga up Glock. That nigga was not playing. Nigga up Glock. Damn, nigga got split. Nigga got popped. God damn. Damn, nigga got shot in the face. What happened? Nigga, damn. Bro, I was standing right next to her ass. I swear to God. I was standing right next to her ass. Then they just started upping. I took off that way. Then I looked back, her ass laying on the ground.
Oh,
Damn. Oh, yeah. Get active. They got sticks and shit. Oh, niggas pulling up. Nigga. Oh, hold on. They about to air out the crowd. They about to air.
Even since you think.
Is that P? Nigga, that's P. I'm David. What? Hey, no, I ain't gonna go. Grab P. He got a kid. He got a kid. Fuck that shit.
Peanut.
Say,
Get active.
No! Reset!